Hola.
Hola.
Welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Tonight we are here at the GRAN CHINA at La Siesta. Absolutely amazing restaurant. We're here with a few friends. We've got T. Co down there, better known as Brits living in Spain.
And Bob.
And Bob, and there's Hi Bob, and we've got Graham and Jolie. We've got Lawrence and Claire, and we've got Mark and Lindsay.
Thanks, Lindsay.
And we're all having a slap-up feed at the GRAN CHINA here at La Siesta.
Well, we've got the bottle of wine so far.
Well, we've got the bottle of wine.
And she's coming round for our orders.
But we're having the meal of the day, we're having the $12.95 meal of the day, and we'll let you know what it's like in a little while.
I think I'm going to have that roast pork with ginger and pate.
Yeah. Well, I think I'll go for we'll go for the meal of the day, $12.95 menu. I'm going to have the prawn cocktail.
So am I.
Are you having the prawn cocktail as well? That's 2 prawn cocktails, followed by the crispy chicken and... What does that say?
Shish kebab.
Oh, shish kebab. Oh, that sounds good, yeah. So there we go.
Roast pork with ginger and satay.
You're having the roast pork with ginger.
Can I get one with chips?
We'll get one with chips.
One with fried rice.
We're here with Mark and Lindsay, Graham and Julie.
Hello.
We've got Bob and Ellen and Andy down there. And we've got Lawrence. Yeah. And his marvellous family. And the acting thespian. Thank you very much. Are you going to pour the wine, dear?
Pour the wine.
You pour the wine. Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah, hi.
Many happy returns of the day.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
25 blissful years.
Lovely. Cheers to that. Great. No, it's not mine, but it's near enough. We'll pass them on.
Pass them down. Yeah.
El Monte.
Another one.
Yeah, we'll send them down. Okay.
Down. They're going down.
Going down. Going down.
Down. Going down.
Going down.
Nice. Don't add sugar.
Yeah, she's here.
There she is, look.
And the ice.
Oh, ice cream. Thank you. Gracias. Del Monte.
Isn't it?
Yeah,
There should be
yeah, down there, yeah.
one more.
And you've got one, Graham.
It's getting one.
I'm getting one.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I hope to.
So this is a Belmonte,
A Belmonte.
and Graham's going to tell us what it is.
Is there?
Coffee,
Hang on.
dense cream, chocolate, and good old brandy.
Brandy. Oh, the brandy in there.
Condensed cream and
Coffee,
brandy.
dense cream, and
Change it.
Why didn't I get one of them?
you said you wanted ice cream.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Have a taste. Can I have a taste, please?
What, the taste of that? That's nice.
You'll want one of them, Mike, when you've tasted that.
Oh, it smells beautiful, doesn't it?
Yeah. Have a taste of your ice cream.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh. Get it put back down there.
Ooh. I'm going to get one of them next time.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. Tried it yet?
Yeah, nice.
So what would you tell you?
I just want to
I just thought for late.
Yeah,
After
no,
what you just like with a gin, no, 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 do you know what I mean?
make it laugh.
Is it dry?
No, no, it's not dry.
It's not dry.
It's not dry.
Not dry.
Not too dry.
Not dry. Not too dry.
So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up.
Yep.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already,
Because
because it's
free.
free. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Make it.
Adios.